What does toner do for skin? 5 benefits. 1. Balances your skin after cleansing. Some cleansers can overtrip your skin as it cleanses, drying it out in the process. Applying a toner after cleansing helps to restore balance to your skin, keeping it from feeling too tight or dry. 2. Hydrates your skin. Facial toners are water-based, aiming at restoring hydration to your skin after cleansing. Many include additional hydrating ingredients to bind the water to your skin for longer-lasting results. 3. Refreshes your skin. Spritzing your skin with a spray-on toner is a great way to start and end your daily routine. It feels amazing, and you deserve to treat yourself. 4. Soothes your skin. Using a botanically sourced facial toner is a great way to create a calming sensation for your skin, alleviating any temporary redness or discomfort. 5. Helps remove oil and makeup. Adding a facial toner to your daily routine can help break out excess dirt and other impurities left on your skin. Which facial toner should you use? Choosing the right toner for face doesn't have to be complicated. Your best bet is to choose natural products and avoid certain ingredients that can irritate your skin or cause unwanted flare-ups of existing issues. Steer clear of number 1, alcohol. Unsurprisingly, alcohol tends to have a super drying effect. It can inflame and irritate sensitive skin. Number 2, benzoyl peroxide. Also typically used to combat acne, benzoyl peroxide can also be way too intense for many people. Number 3, fragrances. Artificial fragrances are best avoided. Besides, wouldn't you rather smell like real roses than fake chemicals? Number 4, phthalates and parabens. These two belong to a group of chemicals, generally used as low-cost preservatives. Toxins like these aren't something you want your skin absorbing. Number 5, salicylic acid. Frequently found in acne-fighting facial toners, salicylic acid has a reputation for being harsh. It tends to dry skin out. Check your labels for botanically sourced ingredients. Remember, Mother Nature knows best. As per this information, some branded toners I can suggested you. You can go with these: Snail White Essential Toner, BIOAQUA Rice Toner, VC Vitamin C Toner by BIOAQUA, Red Wine Pore Control Toner, Mistine Acne Clear Toner, New Skin by Focus Beauty, HAFFEY Renewal Toner. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, and please subscribe Maja Bean channel.